I'm filming right now.
This is me and the Zeit. We're filming the hair section right here of how I'm going to show this. This is the reference I'm working from. This is the drawing that's going to be watercolored. Oh, she's brushing her hair. Let me see. We're not going to put that in there. Are these good reference shots, Zephyr?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, Daddy collects what he knows is going to be really cool stuff. Because that's how smart Daddy is. Daddy. Mom. When Daddy's doing the smiles, one thing that's just helped him recently is I think about the teeth in the jaw and like in the skull, beneath the head, and that's really been helping me feel the form going around. That's right, Zebra. Okay, so now we're going to go over to we're going to spit right here the watercolor in Daddy's hair color. This is going to be the base hair color. The lighter parts, which in watercolor you kind of want to work from light to dark. It's not a rule. It can be changed by anybody at any time, but it's nice to know what it works. What kind of color is that? That's it's a very yellow ochre kind of a color. This is going to be real light because I don't want it to go any darker than the highlights of the skin. And if I want it really white, I just go like that. Here's my really high lights. That's right, it's okay. And so it goes for the Zeit. And I think Daddy, next step is to go right to the dark parts here. While it's still wet. Oh, that's a lot of curling super. This will be quite the balancing act here, super. Some red. And he has two reds in here, super. He has this alizarin crimson red, and then he has the normal reddish red, kind of a light orange red, Zebra. The good thing about watercolor in this case is that it dries darker for Daddy. And if you put water in it first, it's going to dry even lighter. So, one of the billions of things you have to know with watercolors ever. And that'll fade when that dries. It'll fade a little bit. those in between color years. You want to keep it wet. If we can. Daddy's talk. Remember I was talking about hair yesterday? I want people to understand that it grows from a central point in the head, and that's you have to have a place where everything starts. See, Daddy's using Chinese brush. That he supports the Chinese, except when they're communists. They're not nice. That he's squinting right now to make sure you get all the right stuff in the right place. It's a very difficult job, but Daddy doesn't care. That's a huge curling job, that you know, right?
It's a big curl.
Yeah, she had a lot of makeup people on that one. Daddy replenishes his dark colors. I hope you are working hard in stuff, Sipe. There's no other way to get where you want. Okay, so that's the so-called wet in the wet zone. Now Daddy's going to put a very, very light wash over all this here. They call them washes. Nobody knows why. Somebody invented it and everyone copied them. While it's wet, it gets soft, and hair is supposed to be really soft, so. Let's see. When Daddy was growing up, he had a hair product called Dippity Doo, and I don't know what it was for. It was some girl product. I think they keep your hair in place, probably. What the? Who asked you? Forget it. I gave you special food. Forget it. Ain't gonna happen. Okay, well that's gonna be stage number 1 there, Zephyr. Okay, Zebra, we'll let that dry.
Okay.
And we'll work over it from there. We don't have to do a whole lot more than